You like it sounded the same to me?
Sounded about the same.
It was not.
It comes out as crown. Like a tooth crown.
No.
Yeah, this is only a test.
Crown.
I don't need much longer video. Are we supposedly actually doing something now?
I don't
here
know.
Or what?
I might try to do something. It depends. But, all right.
Because if you try to do something and it's like crap, then you're going to fuss at me later because it's too... It looks grainy.
It looks terrible. Sounds terrible. It doesn't sound good to my ears.
Doesn't matter what it sounds like to us.
But when you hear... We're not filming Darth Vader here.
If you have a Canon, you are, because Canon's preamps suck. Great camera, crappy preamp.
This is a test of the emergency sound system.
And
Did it
yes,
pick
I
up
turned the
the
gain on the camera all the way down to the lowest 0 and then up 1 notch.
Words that I cannot pronounce. Abdomen.
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 Feminine.
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 Feminine. Wait, are we allowed to say feminine anymore? Is that
Well, I can't say it anyway.
Is that one of the 45 quadrillion words that are now outlawed?
I can say the word feminist, but I can't say the word feminine.
Feminine.
Abdomen.
Abdomen. There's no word that I cannot say. Well, there's words that I purposefully pronounce my way.
Such as?
Balance. I'm a redneck. It's balance. Which a friend of mine actually one day didn't know what I was trying to say.
Coupon.
Coupon.
Window.
Winder.
Door.
Der.
That didn't even sound southern.
Dough.
That didn't sound southern either.
Shut the front door.
Abdomen.
Abdomen. And you can say diaphragm,
Diaphragm.
but you can't say abdomen.
Abdomen. Now, here's the other word that I struggle. I can say it, but I really have to focus on it. I really have to focus on it because if I don't, I say another word instead. The word that I must focus on is crayon.
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 Now tell them what it sounds like if you don't practice.
Crown. You like it sounded the same to me?
Sounded about the same.
It was not.
It comes out as crown. Like a tooth crown.
No.
Yeah, this is only a test. I
Crown.
don't need much longer video. Or are we supposedly actually doing something now
I don't
here
know.
or what? Turn the road gain up to the maximum dB level.
The other thing is am I in focus? Because it is following your face, I see, on our big screen thing.
I am the important one. The camera knows the alpha, and it has focused on the alpha. That's the fun part of being married. You can say this stuff on purpose. See, I got a nice little white box, right? So you can't see the white box, but like, I wish you could because my hands are holding the big white box on my head right now. It looks kind of cool. She ain't got no white box. I got the white box. I got the white box.
He's got the white box.
So you just got so much hair, it can't tell what's face and what ain't.
Bullshit. Yes.
Well, pull your hair back and see if it focuses on your face then.
It's not. It's decided that you are... Oh, wait. Did it really switch to me? It switched to me, didn't it?
See? Do you not listen to me?
It's my hair.
I told you had so much freaking hair. Well, actually, I cheated. I covered my face up so it couldn't see a face anymore. Once it locks in on a face, apparently it stays there. So if you completely cover yours up,
Well, now that I'm the important one.
You're always my important one, baby.
All right.
Test done.
Testing. 1, 2, 3.